kayo nakapwesto, Joe? Yan.
Buds. Ilan sa Shinji?
22. Welis na mga youth na may yabang. Kala mo talaga eh. Kala mo may mga tira eh. Kala mo may tira mga to eh. Alis na dyan. Kala mo talaga, naka-team ka lang ng panalo. Yung panalo mo drafting, panalo ko buwan. Oo nga no. Basag ka naman.
First up graduate. Aray ko.
Ang tiyan ko siya, Pat. Ganda.
Cheers, number 6.
Tamay ba tayo, boy?
Oo.
Number 6, pass to number 30. Pass to traveling violation.
Iyabang ang puta ka lang.
Number 11. Number 11, dribble the ball. Number 11. Pass to number 8. Pumulang 3. Not good na ako number 6. Number 6. Number 6. T-side shoot number 13. Pumulang 3. 3 points. Number 7. Jersey number 7. Number 7, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 11, pass to number 99, pass to number 5.
Iyabang ka.
Pass to number 7, Mumulang 2, good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Jersey number 6, Pumulang 2. Not good, nakakuha ni. Number 11, nagmamadali number 11, pass to number 7, number 7. Layup, foul. Jersey number 24.
Yeah. Sip-sip ulit.
First throw.
Hindi pa nga eh.
Basket.
Balak na ako naman. Bakit? Pupunta ka na.
Tenor na kami, pinuntahan dito.
Tinor na kayo?
Sa video.
Sinadya ka lang eh.
Second
Saka
throw.
lang ba?
Basket.
Hindi ba sinabi?
Number 6.
Bumidya ka.
Number 6.
Hindi niya ba sinabi?
Jersey number 6, pass to number 25. Number 25. Pass to, naka-block pass to number 6. Number 6. Perimeter shot, not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 8. Number 8, nagmamadali number 8. Pass break by sa labas. Buwan ng block. Jersey number 6. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Layup. Good for 2. Number 7. Jersey number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. 5. Seconds to shoot. Number 5. Umukol ng 3. Not good on number 11. Number 11. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 24. Pass to SJ Moore. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Dribble the ball. Number 6. Pass to number 30. Pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako ni jersey number 25. Number 25. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 7. Number 7. Jersey number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pumeke. Perimeter shot. Not good na ako ni jersey number 6. Number 6. Nagmamadali pass break by jersey number 13. Layup. Good for 2. Pass to sundan ako number 34. Pass to number 13. Sundan ako ni number 30 pa rin. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Pass to jersey number 6. Pass to number 25. SJ Moore. Pass to number 25. Pungkol ng 3. Not good na ako ni jersey number 7. Number 7. Nasundan ako ni number 24. Number 24. Perimeter shot. Not good na ako ni number 7. Pass play. Nasundan ako ni number SJ Moore. SJ Moore. Nasasalpak na. Good for 2. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 11.
Hindi mo nagbabayad yun.
Number 11.
Grabe ka.
10. Seconds shoot. Pass to number 5. Pumukol ng 3. Good for 3. Number 6. Number 6. Nagbawa na number 6. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 11. Nasusundan na ako ng number 11 para number 11. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Wala na nakuha ni number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 30. Pass na sundan nakuha sa labas. Mandatory substitution. Number 68, pass to number 6. Pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako na jersey number 6, pass to number 4. Pass to number 14. Reverse layup, good for 2. Jersey number 6. Number 6. Jersey number 6, pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 1. Pass to number 6. Perimeter shot. Not good na ako number 67. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Good for 2.
Idol, pag kilala mo, pwede mo sabihin yung
Asa? Number 14. Number 8. Number 8, pass to number 67, pumukuha ng dos. Not good ako, number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Perimeter shot. Not good, nakakuha ng jersey number 67. Number 67, dribble na ball. Number 67. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Pass at 28. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 14. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Jersey number 4. Pass to number 14. 10 seconds shoot. Number 4. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha number 28. Pass to number 1. Number 1 ang bumandali. Layup, good for 2. $67 on the ball, pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 8. Perimeter shot, not good on number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 13. Number 13 ang bumandali. Pass to number 68. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 68. Pumukul ng 3. Not good. Nakuha ng jersey number 67. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Nagmamadali. Foul. Number 28. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Basket. Number 6. Jersey number 6. Number 6. 15 seconds shoot. Nasunutan na ako ng number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 68. Pass to number 13. Not good. Nakakuha ni number 1. Number 1 pumeke. Lumayap. Good for 2. Number 4. Easy layup. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Last 2 minutes. Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 13. Pump. Pass to number 68. Nasunod na nakuha niya pa rin. Good! Number 6. Number 6. Nagmamadali, layup. Not good, nakuha ni number 68. Wala pa rin nakuha ni number 28. Nag-Luka Doncic. Good for 2. Number 7. Pass number 14. Number 14. Not good, nakuha niya pa rin. Nakuha number 1. Pass to number 13. Number 13 bumaba. Reverse layup. Not good, nakuha number 67. Jump ball. Same ball. Number 14. Pass to number 4. Layup. Not good, nakakuha number 8. Good for 2. Number 1. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 6. Pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako number 8. Number 8. Foul. Number 13.
Hirap pa meron ang pito.
Number 48. Nakasunod na ako number 68. Number 68. Ravening violation. Number 67. Number 67. 55 seconds. Pass to number 4. Number 4 foul. Number 6. Number 4. Pass to number 67. Pumukol ng 2. Not good na ako number 40. Number 40. Walang black team. Number 13. Number 13. Nagmamadali number 13. Nasunod na nakuha ni number 67. 67 left. 52.
Kakilala naman yung mga ito.
Hindi ko napapalitan ang araw nito. Papalitan. Yung araw. Number din. Hindi. Tin-short na rin mamaya eh. Tin-short papalitan. Tin-short na rin mamaya. Number 7.
Waisa.
Number 7. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 67. Pumukol ng 3. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 12. Nasunod lang na ako ni jersey number 25. Pass to number 1. Pumukol ng 3. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 12. Pumukol na naman ng 3. Nakakuha number 1. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Not good. Nakuha niya pa rin. Number 12. Wala pa rin. Nakuha niya pa rin. Number 67. 67, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to 67. Pass to Kevin. Ravening violation. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 24. Pass number 1 again. Good for 2. Number 11. Number 11 dribble the ball. Number 11. Pass to 57. Number 57. 10 seconds to shoot. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 25. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 6 kumukulang dress. Not good na ako number 67. Pass number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Not good na kuha niya pa rin. Number 11. Pass number 67.
Oy!
May hangover pa kanina yan ah. May hangover pa kanina ah.
Walang filtro.
Number 25.
Ganda, Jack. Sakita ka lang. Sakita ka lang.
Number 25. Pass number 1. Pass number 24. Umukol ng 3. Not good na ako number 12. Nandito pa rin ako number 11. Number 11. Pass number 7. Good for 2. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Perimeter shot. Not good na ako number 99. Pass to na ako number 25. Number 25. Not good na ako ni jersey number. Number 67. Pass to number 7. Number 7.
Pa-double lang po.
Number 11. Pass to 7. Perimeter shot. Not good ako number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Layup. Not good ako number 7. Pass to number 7. Number 7 pass to number 11. Next one ako number 6. Pass to number 24. Number 24 layup. Not good. Wala pa rin. Number 67. Good for 2.
Double. Second part pa lang. Double na. 11 rebound, 11. Okay lang. Ganun ba mag-ano stats? Ano na mga Grayson? Lagi na lang ang isip ko. Tanda na ako.
Yung ginawa ko ng bullying, ginawa lang ng dalawang quarter yan.
Ay, ginawa ko. Ginawa lang sa second quarter.
Maganda na ako din yung kanina eh.
Number 25. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Not good na ako jersey number. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 24. Number 6 pala. Number 6. Layup. Not good ako number 67. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 99. 99. Pass to number 11. Number 11.
Wala kang tinahok sa
Pass
akin.
to muna dress. Not good na ako number. Turnover. Mandatory substitution. Number 68. Number 68. Number 4. No, number 25. Number 68. Pass number 12. Number 12. Number 13. Not good on number 8.
So, sub daw.
Kahit sino sa amin 10 minutes eh.
Lahat kayo naka 10 minutes?
Ito.
10 na lahat to eh.
Straight.
Hindi, yung consecutive, straight.
Straight na.
Hindi pwede ano.
20 minutes.
Pwede na.
Sobrang na dito.
Guys. Ang tuloy. Nagsabi yung wife.
Kanina gulong na ulit.
Di mo kumatan siya.
Ang kulit na yun.
Hindi nakaligtas ka. Nakapag-ibig mo kanina. Eh, dapat rin ka mo sa sila.
Number 7. Pass number 8. Pumukulang 2. Not good. Now number 12. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 13. Number 13. 10 seconds to number 28. Pumukulang 3. Not good. Nakakuha ni number 68. Number 68. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass na 28 ulit, pumuha na naman ng 3. Not good pa rin, nakuha na number 30. Pass to number, foul. Just number 30. Penalty na rin.
Penalty.
Gago hindi.
Ano ba? Hindi ba?
Wala pa.
13 pre. 13.
Wala pa penalty.
Ay! Wala pa ba?
Hindi mo ata na-reset.
Hindi ko ba na-reset?
O gago sa pa. Hindi mo. Hindi mo. Rep.
Hindi pa ba?
Di pa penalty. Eh, di inbound na lang ulit. Inbound na lang. Kaso di mo na-reset.
na lang.
Di pa penalty.
So ano lang, apat pa lang?
Dalawa pa lang.
Dalawa pa lang.
Di na-reset. Tanda mo, apat na yung...
Hindi ko na-reset yung ano.
Tanda mo, apat na yung... Inbound ball.
Same ball.
Di counted yung free throw. Di counted yung free throw.
Hindi counted yung free throw. Tama yan.
Hindi pa penalty. Akin
Wala pa daw penalty,
Akin.
Hindi, mali daw.
Di na reset.
Di na-reset.
So may point si Manjo.
Hindi, dalawa pa lang. Alis na dito.
Sayang. Number 4.
Okay na.
Pass siguro nakakuha ni number 12.
Nice one.
Pass to number 28. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 68. Easy. Wala pa lang. Good for 2 by number 12. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 4. Pumukul ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha ni number 28. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 68. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pump. Reverse layup. Not good. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Number 12. Pass to number 13. Umukul ng 3. Number 4, pass to number 8. Nakakuha number 24. Pass back by number 13. Number 13, layup, good for 2. Number 4. Number 4.
Lapit foul, lapit foul, lapit foul!
Number 4.
Yan, sa ibabaw ng screen!
Pass to number 7. Pumukol ng 2. Not good na ako number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 68. Number 68, pass to number 13. Number 13, not good na ako number 8. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to number 4. Good for 2. Number 13. Number 13, dribble the ball.
Gumamit ka ngayon. Wala ka.
Number 68. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 4. Wow. Number 68. Remain time 2 minutes and 33 seconds.
Rep, bawal jersey. Yung jersey, tingnan nyo ah. Hindi, pero bawal yung hinila yung jersey ah. Baka mapunit. Baka mapunit yung jersey. Baka mapunit. Wala tayong pamalik.
Number 7. Number 7. Pass number 4, pumukal ng 3. 3. Number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 12. Nasunod ko nakuha number 8. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 7.
Uy, ito pa!
Wala na akong red. Foul! Basket! Number 24.
Rep, ano yan? Kami lang nakakapaul.
Tense ah.
Vance, pwede rin padagdagan.
Hirap na namin yan.
Vance, pwede rin padagdagan yung foul namin. Kung kaya dyan 10, dagdag mo ka.
O bala, o bala.
Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Dribble the ball number 13. Pump. Same ball.
Basket time out ko.
Number 68. Pass number reverse layup. Good for 2.
Time out white.
Mat, magkano yung tulong, Mat?
May ball kami na first quarter.
May tipol na yung kabila. Simula first, wala no.
Magkano yung tulong? May pariyan ba?
Ayun yung gusto mo daw pass. Yung pa hindi mo may provide.
Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Pumukol ng 3. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 68. Number 68. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 13. Number 13 pass to na nakuha sa labas. Pumukol ng 3. Not good, nakakuha ni number 8. Pass to number 68. Pass to nakakuha ni number 13. Number 14. Number 14. Number 14, pass to number 4. Pumukol ng 3. Not good, nakakuha ni number 28. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 13. Wow! First throw. Baldog. Ay, gago. Stop. Number 7. Number 7. Bring the shot. Not good na ako number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Uy!
Nakatakot yung bagsak eh.
Number 7, Paul.
Kinabahan ako yung bagsak.
Alam mo yun, parang
Hindi na ako nakapag-post agad.
parang titik. Tama na po ito.
Buti nga sinabi yung
Number 24. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 68. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Number 4. Trim the shot. Not good na ako number 7. Pass to number 8. Good for 2. Pass to number 12. Blocking foul. Number 14. Number 24. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 30. Number 13. Pumuko ng 3.
puta, sayang.
Not good, nakakuha ni. End of the first half.
Kasi nag-change part naman ano. Bali white ball tayo start. Yung taon mo pa yung mabot?
Ano ba? Sabi ginawa niyo yun, parang huminga sa kwet.
Kala ko nung nandito yung tayo, nabili ko sa'yo pag ako okay.
Okay yan, di ba? Alam mga 12 rebounds. Oo nga. Idadalawa mo pa. Napaya mo naman ako eh. Walang rebound. Laki-laki eh.
Chope, ganun na lang, El.
Wala naman na to.
Malungkot na naman si Kelz ah. Chope na naman, El.
Mas chope. Ang chope.
Ewan ko dyan,
Number 11.
papalit ako araw dito.
Oh.
Kabila na, no?
Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to 67. Number 7. Pass to number 99. Number 7. Pumukol ng 2. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 15. Pumukol ng 2. Not good. Nakakuha ni. Buwan ng black. Black ba single? Black. Number 25. Pass to number 1. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha ni. Number 40. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakakuha ni. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Number 11. Pass to number 99. Wala pa rin ako number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Foul. Number 11. First throw, not basket. Second throw. Basket. Number 11. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Nasusunod ako number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Good for 2. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to 11. Pass to 67. Pass to 11. Pass to 14. Pass to 67. Kumuha ng 3. Not good na ako number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Foul. Number 14.
Chop.
Number 13. Foul. Number 67. First throw. Basket. Last throw. Basket. Number 4. Number 4, pass to number 8. Nasunod na nakuha number 6. Number 6. Number 6 nagmamadali. Reverse layup, not good. Nakuha number 13. Foul. Number 11. Warning for penalty. Number 25. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 6. Good for 2. Number 4. Kumuha ng 3. Not going ako number 12. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 1. Number 1, reverse layup. Good for 2. Number 11. Number 11, pass to number 11. Pass to number 8. Number 8, to dribble the ball. Pass, sunutan na ako ni number 6. Pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 12. Layup, good for 2.
Ilan na lang tayo? Wala nang time. Wala na. Etong black meron pa.
Number 67. Number 67. Pass to number 4. Pass to 67. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. Pinasa kay referee. Number 6. Umukol ng 3. Number 11. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 67. Pass to 11. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Nakasundan na ako number 11. Number 11 nagpamadali. Pass to number 7. Sundan na ako niya pa rin. Number 7. Foul. Number 25. Number 67. Number 67, pass to number 7. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 7. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 67. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 67. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Nakakuha ng break. Number 8.
Timeout na for basket.
Not good. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Good for 2. Number 11.
Joel!
Pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 4. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Na ako number 11. Number 11. Foul. But, not basket. Wala ng basket. Down lang daw.
Sub, sub, sub. Sub, 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 sub. Ina mo. Ina mo.
Number 11. Pass to number 14. Pump. Number 14. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 99. Ganun pass rin. Wala na nakuha niya pa rin. Number 99. Wala pa rin na ako number 11. Number 11. Not good. Nakakuha ni. Nakakuha number 14. Daming error. Number 1. Number 1. Good for 2. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nako number 14. Layup. Not good pa rin. Pass to 99. 99. Foul. Number 13.
Ja! Ja!
Number 14. Bumomba. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 13. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 6. Pumukol ng 3. Number 4. Number 4, pass to number 14. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pumukol ng 3. Not good now, number 1. Number 1, pass to number 13. Number 13, layup. Good for 2. Number 99. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 4. Pass to Susana. Nakakuha ni number 13. Number 13. Foul. Number 4.
Penalty.
Penalty na rin.
Sub daw.
Drop sub.
Sub daw.
Pag na-shoot, pangalawa.
First draw. Not basket.
Sub.
Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7 pass to 11. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to 7. Pass to number 7. Foul. Number 6. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to 6-7. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Number 13. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 12. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakakuha ng number 14. Number 14. Nagmamadali. Number 12.
Bakbun.
Inaaso ba? Asuhin mo.
Daruan bakbun.
First draw.
Tratado pa rin mo yan.
Basket. Second throw. Basket. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Wow. Jersey number 11.
3 points na yun.
Sino? Tatlo. Sino na dia? Is pa 30?
First throw basket. Last throw. Basket. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Pass to 7. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Nagmamala pa ang 13. Layup. Good for 2. Number 67. Number 67. Pass to number 11. Pass to number... Same ball.
Sub.
Number 67. Pass to 40. Perimeter shot.
Table.
For 2. Number 30. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakakuha number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 28. Pass to nakakuha ni number 7. Number 7. Big for 2. Number 25. Pass number 1. Number 1. Last one ako number 7. Foul. Number 24.
May timeout po sila parehas. Third part. Ito.
Ito, hindi ko. Pinansin ko. Penalty.
Penalty rin.
Both team penalty.
Penalty. Tingnan mo, Chip. Relax lang, Chip.
First draw.
Chip, may dadaan, Chip. Akala mo dalawa-dalawa ka pa?
Kumuha ng press. 3. Number 67. Number 67.
Bubang mo.
Number 67. Number 67. Pass to number 11. Perimeter shot. Not good. Na ako number 7. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 7 pa rin. Third quarter.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, Chip. Nakain na ba?
Malapit na. 4 pa.
Number 25. Pass number 13. Pumuha ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha number 67. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 67. Foul. Number 25. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 67. Number 67. Pass to number 14. Number 12.
Foul ba? Foul? Oo, 24 lang. Naribang yun, naribang.
Na-rebound eh.
Naribang na.
14.
Oo, 14. Hindi, 24. Wait, 24, 26.
Na-rebound ka?
Naribang.
Na-rebound ka?
Oo, naribang.
Na-rebound eh.
24. Tama.
Balik naman.
Naribang nga. New possession nga. Search mo pa. Ang ino mo. Search mo.
Easy layup. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 6. One of this. Nag-load na ako number 7. Number 7. Nagmamadali layup. Not go na ako number 12. Number 25. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 13. Same ball. Number 1. Pass to 25. Pass to number 13. Wala pa rin yung labas. Number 67. Pass to number 8. Not good na ako ng number 13. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Nagmamadali number 6. Layup not good na ako ng number 4. Pass to number 67. Layup not good na ako ni number 7. Pass to 14. Board. Not good na ako number 1.
Ako po, pinupulitan na.
Number 1. Number 1, foul. Number 8.
Ano? Pinupulitan ka, boy?
Number 25, pass to number 6. Kumuha ng press. Not good ako number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Kumuha ng 3. Not good na ako number 12. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 1, layup. Good for 2. Number 4. Number 4. Jersey number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14, bumomba. Not go, nakakuha niya pa rin. Wala pa rin nakakuha ni number 6. Pass break by number 12. Number 12, nakakuha number 4. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Dribble mo number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Good for 2. Sa bata. Number 4. Pass to number 11, pass to number 4. Pass to number 7, pumuha ng 2. Not good, nakakuha number 40. Number 40, pass to number 4, pumuha ng 3. Not good, ako number 12. Nasa na ako number 7. Reverse layup, good for 2. Number 1, pass to number 25. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 6. Pumukul ng 3. Not good, nakakuha ni number 30. Number 13. Number 13, pass to number 1. Pumukul ng 2. Good for 2. Number 4. Number 4, pass to number 7. Pass to number 8. Good for 2. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 1. Pass to 25. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pass to number... Nakuha na pa rin pass to 25. 25. Tumira. Not good. Nakuha number 1. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 67. Pumukul ng 3. Not good. Nakuha number 13. Number 13. Nagmamadali. Nasadyan na nakuha number 8. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Good for 2. Number 25. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Lalim mo, mid for 2. Number 7. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 7. Pumukul ng 2. Not good. Nakakuha niya. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Turnover. Number 6. Number 6, pass to number 13. Pumukul ng 3. Nakakuha number 11. Pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 7. Turnover. Number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 6. Perimeter shot, nakuha ni number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 8. Not good, nakuha niya pa rin. Foul. Number 1. Good for 2. Last shot.
Guys lang.
Not good ako number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 13. Nakakuha number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 6. Nakakuha number 11. Pass to number 1. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 67. Wala na nakakuha ng number 11. Number 4. Number 4, pass to 57. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 11. Mukha ng 3. Wala na ako number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 25. Good for 2. Pass to number 4. Number 4, dribble the ball. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Pumukul ng 3. Not go now number 12. Pass number 1. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 12. Foul. Number 11.
Apat na yun ha.
Number 13. Pass number 12 na ito nakakuha ni. Number 13. Number 13. Good for 2. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Pass to 67. Pass to number 4. Pass to 67. Pass to 7. Foul. Number 1. Number 4. Pass to 6-7. Good for 2. Gamit sila oras, pre. Number 6. Pass number 1. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 1. Nasa nakakuha niya. Number 7. Ball on team black. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to 25. Ganda nun, oh. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Good for 2. Tignan ang laban. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 30. Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 35. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 35. Tumukuha ng 3. Number 4. Tumukol ng 3. Number 1. Pass na number 8. Pass number 6. Tumukol ng 3. Not go na number 11. Number 11. Pass na number 7. Same ball.
Dolo! Dolo! Mola niya ba? Mola ba ng white?
Oo.
Out of bounds lang, di ba?
Joel! 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 Dalawa pa kayo.
Ito, biglaan eh.
Number 67. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Perimeter shot.
Pag half court 14 yan, di ba?
Joel, 14.
O, 14 lang. Ha? Oh, may isa pa sila timer. Ay, wala na ang timer. Nagamit na nila?
Number 30. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 1. Foul! Number 4.
14 ulit yan eh.
Okay lang, okay lang. Foul to give, foul to give.
Number 1. Number 1. Perimeter shot. Not good. Wow.
Sinong foul? Sinong foul? Ref, sinong foul?
Pangatlo pa naman sila mga pa. Mga pa.
Sinong foul? Sinong foul? Who's foul? Who's foul? Ref!
Sino yung foul kanina? Yung bakit? Yung ibang...
Penalty na, penalty na nga.
Nakalista na natin ito. Dami kasi tatanong eh.
Kaya nagtatanong sila ng foul kanina.
Time out to.
Puta na! Natasa tina! Sablay mo na lang ba?
Official score 83-81 in favor of Team White. Remaining time 6.4 seconds.
Gago din. Overtime pa yan. Overtime ko. All
Punch!
Seconds.
Inga sa puwet!
Panalo, natalo pa.
Sure na yan pag napasok yung dalawa.
May rumpo dyan,
Gago,
gago.
mababalo yung puwan. Eh,
Sablay nyo na lang yun.
What? Pasok na, pasok.
And deregulation.